Who are the guys you'd like to put on?
Okay, I would say the NNF lectures, Vino V, Kavile Ratchol in Tonaga, Little TSA, I love any mama tracks. I'm an okay. Nabafagala, Bazwins is easy. Vino V, Lil T, and also the NNF lectures.
I thought you were going to give a shout out to your girlfriend.
Okay. Oh, Trace, Axie Media, Manu Trace. But I cannot say shout out to Trace, she's already there.
Tracy the singer? Why, Auntie?
I say, Shaba, phone request, I say,
but I can't something Twitter, I'm TikTok sometime.
Yeah, they got the snacks, skis.
I'm a club, no Trace, so I cannot say.